Hi, we've just arrived in Valencia for our first test of the season, and I'll give you a tour of the box. Okay, here we have Mark Canillas. He's a mechanic with me, with Max McKirkner, and now he's making a fitting for the hose. Yeah. And this is our box, and this is Owen Berry. Come on, man. Gotta get in the picture. He's working with us. Come on, man. he's working. He's the time man. Yeah, that's it. He's Aussie, as you can tell by his movements. And yeah, he's working with us, and yeah, there's a quick tour of the box.
Show everyone.
Yeah, we got to show you the starter motor.
Try.
This is our starter motor. The other way, man. Yeah, the official starter motor from Max. Yeah. Nothing special. Yeah, so I'll give you a walk through the box. And the back side of it, of course, which probably you don't get to see. Ooh, here we have Charlie. He's the telemetry guy. He's very young, very smart. Telemetry, sorry. Say hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie.
Really funny guy. Yeah, this is his box, this is what he does. And yeah. We have the tyres, where we keep the tyres. Obviously there's no tyres in there yet. We just arrived and still set up. For Anthony West, for this stuff here. Yeah. Some tyres. Testing. The outside.